So yesterday I had taken application based sum of PI, profitability index. Okay. So profitability index is what? CI upon CO, cash inflow upon cash outflow. Okay. So to calculate the CI, what do you need? Numerator calculate करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Discounted cash inflow. Okay. Fine. Yeah. And discounted cash inflow can be found through various ways depending on the question type. Right? Yeah. So last question, we did this part of project A. Yeah, we calculated the PI for it. What was the answer? Our answer was 1.0, 1.5. Okay, 1.5. And इसका profitability, yeah, and I had told you कि आप लोग project B का calculate करके रखना, then we will verify the answer. So just see if you guys have got this answer for project B. If not, then make a note of the same. Okay. Project B depreciation you can get. उसका purchase investment कितना है? I mean purchase price of the asset 7,500. So 7,500 divided by life of the asset is how much? 4 years. So 7,500 divided by 4. Okay. 7,500 divided by 4. 1875. Clear? So net income was given in the question. ठीक है. Net income flow. See इधर दिया ना projected net income after depreciation and taxes मतलब EAT earnings after taxes है वो. ठीक है ना, इसलिए हम depreciation add back कर रहे हैं इसमें. समझ में आया? Be clear with the fundas whatever are given. So this is nothing but my what do you call NPAT, net profit after tax बोलो इसको या आप इसको EAT बोलो, earnings after tax, एक ही बात है. इसलिए depreciation हम उधर add कर रहे हैं. Okay, you should know all these terms clearly. Cash flow after tax you will get, or you can just write cash flow भी लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, एक ही बात है. Then discounted value. How many of you got the answer? Acknowledge it in the chat box. कितने जन का आंसर मैच हुआ है? So if you look as per the profitability index, अगर आप NPV देखोगे तो NPV के बेसिस पे प्रोजेक्ट B इज बेटर देन प्रोजेक्ट A. ओके, बट अगर आप PI के बेसिस पे जाओगे सो आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. योर डिसीजन विल टेल यू टू गो फॉर project B, project A. Okay, so I'm writing that in the comment part. Okay, so Rahul, did you get the answer? Here I have written yes. Okay, so write the comment. The basis of NPV, on the basis of NPV, project B will be preferred. But and on the basis of PI, project A will be preferred. दोनों प्रॉफिटेबल है, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक प्रॉफिटेबल है एक नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, but see if you are applying the technique for decision making, yeah, So if the firm is or if the organization is applying NPV, so NPV के हिसाब से उनका आंसर होगा B. बिकॉज सी बी का एनपीवी कितना है 3610, ए का एनपीवी है 3539, कम है इसके लिए। लेकिन अगर आप पीआई के बेसिस पे जाओगे तो फिर आपका आंसर ये होना चाहिए, द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स इज अ लिटिल हायर in comparison to the year. This is 1.48 and that's 1.51. Almost mirroring ही है but still. Clear? Everyone clear with the sum? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Sum clear हो गया? Okay, fine. Thanks. Now coming to this part of the question. See this. Company has an investment opportunity costing rupees 40,000. So obviously ये मेरा purchase price है. That is my CO, cash outflow 40,000. ठीक है? With the following expected net cash flow, देखते हैं, after taxes and before depreciation. Okay, after taxes and before depreciation बोला, ठीक है? That we will see what to do with that. Then using 10% as the cost of capital. I mean, I'm talking about the discounting factor, or you call it as the present value factor. Determine the payback period. Okay, so the payback method we have to use, और एक NPV at 10% discounting factor and profitability index at 10% discounting factor. ठीक है? So they want you to give answers on the basis of payback, NPV and PI. Okay? IRR is not in your syllabus, so I'm not doing it. Okay? IRR is out of your syllabus. Internal rate of return with the help of 10% discounting factor and 15%. See, 15% discounting factor भी होता है. ठीक है ना? Okay, so if you want to learn the question, I mean if you want to learn the application, we can even do the same sum with 15% discounting factor. Okay, यहाँ 10% का रेट दिया नहीं है, वो हमें खुद निकालना है. I have taught you the method how to do that. Okay, same way 15% का भी हम निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? Okay, so start with it. Okay, start with first payback. I give you 2 minutes, do the payback part, then verify the answer. Yeah. So anybody got the answer for payback? Payback means you just have to calculate what? Cumulative cash flow. Okay. So chalo, let me do it and you can cross check if you guys have started with it. So first I'm doing the payback period. Okay. Okay, so what should I write here? Yeah, just write statement. You have to give some heading, right? Statement showing. What do we take? Cumulative, right? Cumulative cash flow. So here, how many years are given? So see, I'll show you. 10 years दिए हैं, but देखते हैं अपने को कितने years तक लिखना है. ठीक है? Cash flow कितना है? Net CF, yeah, okay. Net cash flow दिया है. Net cash flow 7777. अच्छा, same year. So 7,000. It's not same for all 10 years, huh? So you cannot take it as, yeah, even cash flow. ये उसी कैटेगरी में आएगा अनइवन वाले में. ओके, हाँ. See, I'll tell you how to do this. So cumulative cash flow पहला कितना होगा? 7. ओके, नेक्स्ट कितना होगा? 7 + 7 14. नेक्स्ट 14 + 7 21. Okay, next 21 + 7 28. Next 28 + 7 35. ठीक है, गो 1 year more और एक साल आगे जाओ. 6th year कितना था? 8,000. ओके, तो 35 + 8 is how much? 43. 35 + 8 is how much? 43. मेरा कैश सीओ कितना है? मुझे कितना चाहिए? 40. तो आई स्टॉप हियर. आई विल नॉट गो फॉर 7 8 9 10 years. जरूरत ही नहीं है कैलकुलेशन की, राइट? 40 से ऊपर आ गया ना आंसर, इधर 43 आ गया, तो स्टॉप हियर. एम आई क्लियर? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this step clear? Yeah, that is the reason I took up this sum. It is 10 years, no doubt, but 10 years तक आपको calculate नहीं करना है, because you're getting your answer in the 6th year only. 40 के ऊपर आ गया ना 43,000, तो मतलब आपको रिटर्न्स मिलना शुरू हो गया. आपको सिर्फ पे बैक पीरियड जानना है, राइट? या फाइन, चलो स्टार्ट देन. मतलब ये तो मेरा आंसर है, ये 5th 5 years but some few more months, right? या so start calculate, working mode करो. So 8,000 is the difference, right? 35 और 43 के बीच में 8,000 is the difference. So 8,000 is for 12 months. Okay. But I need how much more? 40 चाहिए ना मुझे. मुझे सिर्फ 5,000 और चाहिए. तो cross multiply how much? तो 12 into 5,000 divide by 8,000. 7.5. 7.5. Okay. So मेरा आंसर is, my payback period is 5 years. 7.5 आप ले सकते हो, 8 months राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हो. यू कैन राइट 7.5 months, राइट? या मतलब पूरा 8 months भी नहीं हो रहा है. 7.5 months. You can write your answer like this. You can even write 7 months. You can even write 8 months. ठीक है? Okay? Clear about this? So this is your payback का answer. Anybody had tried? किसी का आया answer right? Okay, Kishmat, you got the answer. Great. Now चलो do the NPV part. NPV ये तो आपको पूरा 10 years तक कैलकुलेट करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, चलो do that part. These are all application based questions. Okay, yeah. So I give you another two, I guess 2-3 minutes में at least वो discounting factor वाला column तो आप कर ही सकते हो, right? 10 years वाला discounting factor नहीं दिया है, but बोला है अपने को it is 10%, so you can do that. Okay, yeah. And I would suggest you to do 10% और 15 दोनों वाला calculation करो आप लोग, practice हो जाएगा. ठीक है? I know 15 is asked for IRR. IRR is not in your syllabus, but let us do it with 10 also and with 15 also. Okay, for practice purpose. Fine. So yeah, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Do that. Okay, I want you to calculate वो discounted 10% का 10 years वाला figures and 15 का 10 years वाला figures. ठीक है? Okay, yeah. So now let us check. ठीक है, हमें क्या चाहिए? एनपीवी भी चाहिए ना. ठीक है, चलो. या स्टेटमेंट शोइंग एनपीवी Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. ठीक है, और क्या चाहिए? DCF अभी कौन सा वाला? 10% वाला। फिर एक कैश फ्लो है, नेट कैश फ्लो वो तो क्वेश्चन में दिया है। Then we will multiply this and I'll get the present value. ठीक है, then you can have one more DCF. Okay, which one? 15% वाला. Just for practice we are doing this. Net cash flow, the present value. ठीक है, तो DCF कितना आ रहा है? Yeah, just cross check. 1 divided by 1.10 equal to, so it is 0.909, press again equal to 0.826, again 0.751, next 0.683, next 0.621, next 0.564, next 0.513, 0.467, you can do it, round off कर दो, next 0.424 and 0.386. Okay, just check you all got the same values. Then let me do it for 15. 15 का आप कैसे लोगे? 1/1.15, ठीक है, इक्वल टू, तो 0.8695, so you can make it 87, या 870 कर सकते हो, राउंड ऑफ कर दो, 0.756, 0.658, you can do it, 658. I'm going up to 4 decimals, rounding off the third one, 0.572, 0.497, 0.432, 0.376, you can make it, yeah, 0.3269, you can make it 327, next 0.284, 0.247. Okay, multiply. Net cash कितना है? 7, 7, 7, till 6 years it is 7. And years 6 year का it is 8. Same thing here. Okay, let's calculate the PV. Okay, multiply, calculate the figures. Okay, 0.909 into 7,000, 6363. 0.826 into 7,000, 5782. 0.751 into 7,000, 5257. 4781. I'm doing it. 7,000 into 0.683. 4781. 7,000 into 0.621. 4347. 8,000 into 0.564. 0.564. 4512. 10,000 into 0.513. 5130. 15,000 into 0.467. 7,005. 10,000 into 0.424. 4240. And 4,000 into 0.386. 1544. Okay, then we can total this. Same way here. Yeah. 7,000 into 0.870. 6090. 7,000 into 0.756. 5292. 7,000 into 0.658. 4606. 7,000 into 0.572. 4004. 7,000 into 0.497. 3479. 8,000 into 0.432. 3456. इसमें तो 10,000 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 जीरो कम हो जाएगा, राइट? तो 3760. 15,000 into 0.327. 4905. This may be 2 zeros will be less, so 2840. And this will be how much? 4,000 in, sorry, 4,000 into 4,000 into 0.247. It is 988. Okay, just total them. So whatever answer you get, just writing it here. Yeah, that will be your total present value of cash flow. I will subtract my CO, that is initial cash investment, and I will get my NPV. Okay. So मेरा initial cash investment कितना है? 40,000. That is the investment I'm going to do in my long-term asset. Okay, is this clear? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Total this. Total comes around to 48,961. So 8961 is my LTV. And this total comes around to 49,420. तो ये तो नेगेटिव है 580. So 15% डिस्काउंटिंग फैक्टर पे नहीं लेना है because it is giving you negative answer after 10 years. Okay. इसका PI कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं हम. Yes, obviously. Yeah. What is the PI? PI is what? CI upon CO. Okay. Yeah. So 48,961 divided by 40,000. And this will be 39,420 divided by 40,000. Okay. So 48,961 divided by 40. So the answer is 1.22. And your answer you will. ये तो negative है for sure. This is negative. 39,420 divided by. This is negative. 0.98 negative. So obviously you will prefer this. Okay, you will recommend this 10% wala. Clear?